Good morning, Grummy. Little update on the chop chop. I've been out here since daybreak. I got shit strewed all over from the wind. Reaped havoc around this camp, but my poor little Brussels sprouts, they was laid over on the ground this morning. Oh boy. My little Japanese beetle trap over there on the ground. Rising Shiva, she's in great shape. Let me get around here. She actually needs watered because she's been protected. She's in good shape. Oop, I almost had a hummingbird right here beside my ear. He flew off. I was going to give you a shot, but yeah, she's in great shape. These are all basically golf ball size nugs. Got a lot of stuff laid down over here on this end. This was getting the impact from the storm, but in good shape. I've been out here this morning with the fucking leaf blower, tying and shit, man. I spent all day. Let's walk around here. Oh. Miles not feeling good. I got to go to the fucking food bank. Getting tight around this camp. 12 to 2. Here we are at the strawberry tea. She's in good shape. Man, I was out here was wiring the shit out of her yesterday in the rain. I've been out here with a leaf blower this morning. That top up there was completely laid over. But she's in good shape. No sign of PM anywhere. I was lucky enough to jump on these things with the Dr. Zymes Monday evening before the rain set in, and got everybody a feed. Dr. Earth came in, so everybody got a feed with the instant. Man, it took a lot of damn pH up to get that shit straight. But yeah, let me see if I can show you. I gotta break out a beer can for ore. But yep, strawberry tea is in good shape. Jack Mob handled it good. I don't know whether it's just because he's in the middle or she's in the middle, but she took the storm well. There was only one section here that was laid over. I've been out here with the fucking leaf blower. I took the tube off the end of it. But yeah, this is looking great too. No PM, no bug damage. So we are going to let them ride, man. I am not going to panic. Not panicking. Here, let me show you my weather forecast for the rest of the week. Okie dokie. Miss K's blanket. Man, I was out here in the fucking pouring down rain, wire tying this thing up. It just didn't matter. I tied up and it'd fall the fucking other way after it got loaded with rain. But it's not looking bad. I mean, I was going to try to cover the shit up. The wind was blowing. It was just, I would have done more damage than good. But yeah, this shit's still all laid over here. She is not ready. I'm going to spend the day out here with these plants before and after I go to that fucking food bank. The only place that I'm seeing any bud rot was where I was already getting it from the caterpillar damage. But this particular pheno is screaming live rosin. It is just screaming live rosin. The bud structure is, let me see if I can open one up here for you. All right, get out of the way. bud structure is not dense. I mean, they're just not dense nugs. They're not big nugs, and they're, like I said, they remind me of the permanent marker. But I'm not panicking. I'm not chopping today. You see my weather there. There's a little touch of PM, I think. No, not really. But, yeah, I'm just going to get these babies tied up real good and get them standing and work them over with the leaf blower. I mean, it's still a little drizzly out right now. But, I don't like a whole lot of clear, man. That shit gives me the damn jitters. Gives me anxiety. I'd like to see a little bit of amber in my shit with very little clear, and that's what I'm shooting for. I am not going to panic. The bowl trimmer is going to decide what the hell goes in the cure bag and what goes into the freezer. I am going to, old man hairs everywhere over this. This thing is a sticky ass plant. Gotcha, old man hair. Very sticky, man. Sticky, sticky, sticky. But no solid bud structure. This thing, like I said, just screams squish me. It is definitely a hash plant, this particular pheno anyways. But yeah. Let me find a beer can for ore. Okie dokie. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. There's beer can ore. This is the blanket. Now the rest of these plants are going to be very nice, dense nugs. This is the Jack Mob, which has been fantastic. Very, very, very little work on this plant. Oh, there we go. I lost my beer can. Hold on. All right, let's try this again. There you go. There's your beer can. Focus. Yes, indeedy. We're going to have a nice harvest out here as long as I don't panic and I can keep it all together. They're all getting very close. This damn strawberry tea is going to have some awesome nugs. Awesome nugs. Yes, indeedy. I'm going to take that damn bowl trimmer and I'm going to work these bitches over. And whatever that bowl trimmer don't eat is going in the cure bag. The rest is going to go in the freezer for either bubble hash or dry sift. All right, I'm going to lose this beer can. There we go. Oh, yeah. I'm going to try. I'm going to try to make that damn Christmas video, but I ain't making no promises. I have so much going on. It's not easy being cheesy. I'll order me another bottle of STS. I ain't taking no damn chances when it comes to the OEG cheese. I ain't taking no fucking chances. That will be here Friday. It won't be long here. I think next Wednesday or Thursday I'm gonna hit it with the STS, and 5 days later I'm gonna flip them to flour. Man, I've been at this since 420. 6 months. I've been out here every single fucking day tending to these ladies. I damn near bit off more than I could chew. But I think I'm gonna make it to the finish line as long as I don't panic. I'm gonna dry them off real good with the leaf blower and pray. Starting to get some fading going on. I haven't even looked to see how the little dream rider, the CBGs in the back are doing. We'll walk around there and take a quick look. Okie dokie. CBGs are hanging in there. Looks like I took care of the bug damage. They hit pretty quick. But I think the Dr. Zymes took care of them bastards. Yeah, we'll get a little something out of these. Hey, they're actually a 5 leaves too. No 3-leaf shit. Little bug topper starting to stretch. I spun the pot around so it gets that morning. This little one here gets the morning sunrise light. But yeah, they holding together. Let's go check out Tony's planting. We'll call this a wrap. Okay, dokie. This is Tony's little girl here. I haven't been doing nothing but spraying this plant for him. Every time I've hit mine with Dr. Zymes, I'll come back here and hit this one for him with what's left. But it's doing all right. No caterpillars or bug damage. All right, back out front. Yep. I did just find a moth on this plant. I hate these fucking things. I won't show you what I'm going to do to him. Jesus Christ, I am whooped. I don't think I slept a wink last night. I mean, it was just fucking pounding out here. But I didn't want to come out. I just wait until this morning. See what the hell. I tied her up pretty good. I tied this one up real good. I actually had to tie that top up some more this morning. That whole top was laid over, but it didn't snap. All right, last look at the strawberry tea. I am tired, Grummy. I'm tired. It's been a long battle. We're almost there, though. I think I'm gonna have to call Brett. Give Brett a yell when come harvest time here. He gonna have to come take some of this shit off my hands. God damn. Definitely gonna have more than I'm allowed to keep. And I damn sure ain't gonna give it away around here. I'll give it away somewhere else. I ain't cutting my own fucking throat. I rely on that shit to get me through the winter. This daggone rising Shiva trying to run me out of this little fenced in area. Shoot, man, I ain't hardly know where to get around this thing. I'll do a little caterpillar checking on this. But I don't see anything looking offish. Oh, what we got over here in the middle? Oh, PM. I'll get in here with my snips and get rid of that. When did I do it? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I'll probably hit them Thursday or Friday with the doctor's arms. But yeah, I'm gonna cut that little bit of PM out right there. But that's still, I ain't sweating it over that one little spot, I can tell you that. I'm gonna get him there, Grummy. I'm fucking tired. Hummingbirds don't want to show up for us. Every time I turn around, I hear one buzzing by my ear. Hey, have a fantastic day. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you muchly. I am out of here. Peace.